how to make a video on your Rednote application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be explaining to you how you can easily make your video or create your clips on your Rednote application. So first thing first, head over to your Rednote application, and once you're inside your application, make sure you log in with your login credentials, login details. And once you do that, you can see the plus icon over here. Simply click on it, and from here you will be seeing all of your albums on your phone. So what I want to do is simply click on your camera section as well and just allow it. You can simply click on your video like this, select your video, or you can also you add a photo from here. So let me just create a video, quick one like this. It will allow you to probably create a video for up to 60 seconds, I think. So once you do that, simply click on done, and from over here you can see there are options for lots of effects. Let me just mute my voice which is repeating itself. You can see that there are a lot of effects from here which you can use in your video like this, and you can also add a text like this from here, just like in TikTok. And for some text you might have to download it like this, and as you can see, you can also set it position it wherever you want. And once you do that, you can also add a title like this, and you can also label. We put a different types of label here, interface, and you can also use a typeface for your different types of textures. Simply select it. You can also add stickers. As you can see, there are lots of stickers over here. So let me just select one, and you can also trim the video, trim down your video from first to second or last like this. And when you click on more, you can further edit it as well. You can also cut the video from the middle of the section just like this, and you can see the option called cut. You can also change your speed. You can use filter from over here. You can do more creative editing than just normal editing. You can also add a subtitle and add a canvas. You can also use features such as autocut, which was also available in the TikTok. So that's those are the features you can use. So once you are satisfied, simply click on next. And just like in TikTok, you might want to use the hashtags like this to boost your section of video like this. And you can also tag user. You can include topic using other hashtags. You can also use poll like vote. So once you do that, make sure you select the public, and from here you can simply click on post and just continue to post like this, and your videos will be uploaded after some time. So once your content gets downloaded, you will be seeing your post over here in this section. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.